So I'm getting back onto this truck bed. Unfortunately, I made a small mistake.
Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm work. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just get...
Previously on Inside the Body Shop.
I have this Ford Super Duty here, and it's slid, and this is all pushed in throughout this area. So I'm getting back onto this truck bed now. I have these side pieces I have to rivet bond on. Unfortunately, I made a small mistake. There's 4 rivets, 1, 2, 3, 4, that actually are supposed to go through this panel too. I didn't realize that until it's too late. So I let the glue dry, and I'll just grind off the heads of those 4 rivets and punch them out, and I'll have the holes, and then I'll mark it from the back side and drill the hole into this piece, kind of like I just did on this side. And then I will get these prepped out and get both of these rivet bonded on.